Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get.
Zahir Khan punches the air. Mohammed Kaif is going down to celebrate with his fans.
Words exchange between Yuvraj and Little.
I tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. Find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds. People can change your life.
For hitting those 6 sixes in that over Yuvraj Singh.
Take some action with a little time. Just be patient, maybe stay and just give it joy.
Indira Gandhi shares the joy of victory by hosting a reception. It is
I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Hello, welcome back. In this World Cup, India has already played 5 matches and India won all the 5 matches. And last match was against New Zealand. That also India won. Now in the group stages, India is on the top position and India has 4 more matches, including today's match against England. Hope India will retain their top position. This is a team for both India and England. India has played 8 matches against England in the World Cup. And 2019 and 1987 England team who knocked India out of the tournament. Expecting a very good match and hope India will win again. Happy watching. Thanks for the support.